Hey everyone, welcome back to day 4 of our 30 days CCNA lab series. In the last video, we configured DHCP and SSH, and today we are going to take it one step further. We'll learn how devices in different VLAN can communicate by using Inter-VLAN routing. So let's get started. Before we jump into configuration, let's quickly understand the concept. In VLANs, devices are divided into separate broadcast domain. So, which means the PCs cannot communicate directly with other PCs. That's why we need a layer 3 device. In this lab, we will use a router, and this method is called router on a stick. The first step is configuring VLANs. So go to switch, command line interface, enable configuration terminal. VLAN create कैसे करते हैं? VLAN, then give it a number, then assign a name. Sales VLAN 20, name HR. VLAN 30, name IT. Exit. Okay, so next we will assign ports to VLANs. ठीक है, VLANs यहाँ पे create हो चुके हैं. Then we will assign these ports to VLAN. ठीक है, so FA01 interface, FA01 switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 10. Interface FA02 switch port, mode access, so mode access, VLAN 20. Interface FA03 switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 30. Okay, now exit. Now we'll configure a trunk port to router. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम इस वाले लिंक को ट्रंक पोर्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, switch configuration terminal, interface G0/0, wait 0 है, हाँ ओके, 01 switch port, mode trunk. Okay, exit. Now open router, command line interface, no, enable configuration terminal, interface, this interface G000, okay, V000.10. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इस वाले इंटरफेस पे सब इंटरफेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, इस तरह से सब encapsulation .1q और 10, बिकॉज ये VLAN 10 के लिए हम सब इंटरफेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, IP address 192.168.10.1 to 55 to 55 to 55.0, no shutdown. Interface G000.20 for VLAN 20. Encapsulation dot 1Q 20. IP address 192.168.20.1 to 55 to 55 to 55.0, no shutdown. Interface G000.30. Encapsulation dot 1Q 30. IP address 192.168.30.1 to 55 to 55 to 55.0, no shutdown. ओके, तो हमने क्या किया, इस एक ही इंटरफेस पे हमने सब इंटरफेस क्रिएट कर दिया. नाउ एग्जिट. अभी हमें इस वाले इंटरफेस को अप करना है, तो इंटरफेस G0/0/0, no shutdown. Okay. Now assign the IP addresses to PCs. PC1 desktop IP configuration 192.168.10.10. 192.168.10.1. Desktop 192.168.10.20.10. 20.1. One 30.10. 168 30.1. And the last, let's check the connectivity. Okay, ping 192.168.10.10. This PC in VLAN 10, this is in VLAN 20, this is in VLAN 30. Okay, pings are successful here. So as you can see, by using the Inter-VLAN routing, the PCs in different VLAN can communicate with each other. VLAN 20, VLAN 30. Okay, so at the last, don't forget to save your configuration. Copy running startup config. Okay. Exit. Copy running startup config. Yes. So you can also ping from PC1. Check the connectivity. With PC2 also. Yes. Replies are coming back here also. That's all for day 4. We successfully configured inter-VLAN routing by using router on a stick and enable communication between multiple VLANs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss a day 5 of this CCNA lab series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.